Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn how to build three-letter words. Let's start. Can. We are going to make word can. But first sound you hear when you say can? K. K. An. K. A. K. A. N. N. Can. Man. What first sound you hear when we say man? An. A. An. Man. Fan. An. A. An. N. Fan. Pen. An. A. An. N. Pen. V. An. Van. V. V. An. V. A. V. An. N. Van. You are going to cut all these words around the dotted line, and when you are done put all your cutout next to it, like this. Now you are going to work with me. We'll read this word and match them with their pictures. K, A, N, can. M, A, N, man. F, A, N, fan. V, An, van. P, A, N, pan. R, A, N, ran. Are you done putting all your words next to their pictures? Great. We are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye-bye.